We are in the booth of IFW Expo, a company organizing a fair for Eurotier International and DLG International. And in front of me, you will find Mr. Stefan Kresse, General Manager of IFW Expo. Mr. Stefan, I know that you are planning to organize the next Eurotier show in the Middle East?
First of all, I would like to say that it started as Eurotier Middle East, but in the course of the last 12 months we decided to rename the show into Agrofarm Middle East, and we changed the place of the show from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. This turned out to be a good idea. We are working closely together with the international trade show organizer Informa, and we are mostly organizing the animal husbandry part of that co-hosted show, Agrofarm of Informa and Agrofarm of DLG. And as a result, we had a very good show in October. The attendance of the show was amazing, to be honest. And show organizers usually lie about the figures, but the figures were good.
Okay.
And we have a rebooking rate of almost 90%. And this is a good sign that participants were happy with the quality of the show and of the visitors. And in general, our participants were convinced that this is the place to be, to make contact with potential clients in the Gulf region, not just with clients in the United Arab Emirates, but also in the surrounding countries, Iraq, Iran, Pakistan, Saudi.
Okay, thank you. And for the next fair, it will be what are the dates of the next session?
The dates will be
around.
It's mid October, more or less the same date as we had this year, and we will further develop not just on the direction of animal husbandry, but also in the field of vertical farming, in-house farming, which turns out to be a quite interesting field for agriculture in the region.
Mr. Kresse, thank you. Thank you for your interview, and hope we see you in Dubai in October.
It was a pleasure to be in Dubai, and I very much enjoyed it.
Thank you.